What up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel for another video. This video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Anker Black Friday deal I got of the mystery box surprises. They had three packages for this Black Friday sale. They had one price point at $29.99, $49.99, and $79.99. I did a video here. The link is up there if you want to check it out. I actually went over the possible items I could have got and the actual price ranges and how much I saved. This video is just going to be the unboxing of these actual devices, and I'm just going to give you my reaction of each device that I got. So starting from this side to this side, this was the device that costed $29.99. This one was the $49.99, and this one was the one $79.99. The possible device or item I could have got for each sale. For the $29.99, I could have got something that was worth $199. For this one that was $49, I could have got something up to $5.99. And lastly, this one was $79.99 with a possibility of getting worth $6.99. Obviously, that didn't happen, but if you want more details on the actual prices and the savings that I made, you can check out the video there. This is just the unboxing, so let's go ahead and start with that. So the first device here we got is a Anker power bank, and this one is 10,000 mAh power bank, and it's a foldable battery pack, so it's cool. I have been doing a lot of videography stuff lately, so I've been looking to have some extra charging banks and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and just unbox this and check out the device itself that we got. Okay, see there, pretty straightforward. Here's the power bank. Okay, it's heavy. All right, so that's cool. I like the fact that you can actually just do that, plug it in, and then just take it with you. It comes with a cable already, which is cool. It's already attached to it. You can actually put another one here, and got the face there. So okay, nice little power bank. I like the fact that you can have the actual cable and take it with you. It is a Thunderbolt one, so you will need the Thunderbolt for that to use the cable. But if you don't have a Thunderbolt device, the option to put an input right here is pretty cool. So all right, cool, we'll take that. You know, I have a lot of cameras and a lot of gear that I use on the go, so this is going to be a nice little charger to use. And it is a 30-watt max battery pack. You know, it's pretty much travel size. You know, I like it. We'll see how much I'll actually use it on the go, but always nice to have a little battery pack. So that was the item that was $29.99. We're gonna go here with the next item. This is the Anker Prime charger, 6-port, 200-watt. So pretty much you would connect this to like where you have your laptops, or you know, we're going to connect a lot of devices. The fact that there's 6 inputs, 200-watt, is going to be more than enough. So you can do like your laptops, your phones, headset, things like that. So for me, this will be nice because I have like wireless mics, I have cameras, the batteries I need to charge, headphones. So I'll be able to set that up and have up to 6 different devices charging. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. USB-C fast charging. I like that. Okay. Ooh, it's heavy. It feels solid. Let's see what's in here. Go. We got the actual cable, little guide. Okay. Cool. Pretty straightforward. Look at the actual power bank itself. Nice. It feels solid. I've always said if something weighs right, I mean, it should be pretty good. So we got the A ports, we got C ports. Here, right here is where the main wattage is gonna go. So you're gonna put your laptops there, uh, your iMac stuff, anything like that for laptop wise. Like I said, I'll just be mainly using this for charging mainly like my camera batteries, headsets, and other wireless mics that I have. So having one spot to have all those will be nice. So I have kind of like an outlet, like power, and it just the cables are all over the place. So this is gonna be nice to actually just have this there, run the cables for my devices. So cool. Some of the um small little tidbits of this is it has smart charging for all types of devices. So one, it's 200 watt, but after some time it'll like start splitting everything up. Obviously the A ones are going to be less power, the actual laptop one is going to get the most wattage. But yeah, pretty nice. And that was the item that I got for 59.90. Lastly, we got here the last part of the sale here. We got an Anker Mag to go 3-in-1 charging. So 60 watt, 15 watt max pocket size 3-in-1 charger. So you can actually charge your phone, your iPod, and your watch. So let's go ahead and open this up. Check it out. Okay. So parts here. We got the booklet, starter pack. Go ahead and open up the actual device. Okay. So you can charge your phone here. You can charge your iPod here. iPod. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that your head. I'm not an Apple guy. But yeah, you can charge your little case here for your little headset for Apple. And then here's just the cable. 90-degree. And I think this part, yeah, it's the actual power of it. Okay, just see. Goes in there. Oh yeah, I mean this is a wireless charger, so it's gonna charge like anything that's wireless that has the QI certified charging. So anything that's wireless charging, it'll go on here. But what the cool thing is too, it sits there. You can do it like that. You can put your headset here, the AirPods, put the AirPods here, the phone here, and the watch here. So that's why it's like a 3-in-1. I don't have any Apple products, so I probably won't be using this unless this is just the wireless right here that I can use on my phone. And yeah, I mean, for this one was the more expensive one, and I'm not gonna use it, but it is what it is. I just wanted to unbox it and show you guys what I got. Here's a C port goes into there, but yeah, I mean, it was all right. The last product I probably won't use. I'll probably gift it to somebody or just give it to somebody that actually has Apple product unless I could find a use for it. But the other devices, this is probably my favorite one that I'll probably be using with all the devices. Of course, we got the power bank. This is gonna be nice for on the go. It's gonna give me some good charges just in case I really need to charge something. But very nice, decent haul for the price. If you want to check out that other video and see the price points of each thing and how much I saved, you can. But like I said, this is just a quick unboxing of the Black Friday deal that I got from Anker. If you like this video, if it helped you out, decide to purchase that or not, go ahead and drop a thumbs up. Tell me in your comments if you found anything that you liked or you bought this and tell me what you got. But until next time, peace out, homie.